Hello people, and for this video we'll be showing you how to create a logo on Blox Fruits. Now I'm here on the Roblox app on PC, but the first thing you have to do is find more. This is on the left hand side, and once here just click on create. This will redirect us to a browser on the Roblox Creator Hub. Alternatively, on a browser, you can type in create.roblox.com and it will lead you to this page. Now, once here, we have to go over to creations and then go over to development items, and then just underneath go to decals. Now, if you already have icons uploaded, you should see it here. And since I don't have any logos yet, I will upload it with this button, upload an asset. This is asset type decal. Select the file you want to use. I will just leave the name as is. Since the description is required, I will just put a short description and then upload. Let me just refresh my hub. There is my logo. Now, to use this as your crew logo, just click on the image. Now, because the background is white, we can't see the 3 dots icon, but this is what you have to click and then open asset details. Now, once here, just select the whole URL. Copy that. Make sure that the whole URL is selected. Now you can click and then press Ctrl A, or you can drag the whole thing. Press Ctrl C and then open up Blox Fruits. And remember, the crew logo is only available for pirates. So let's click on our crew logo. The decal link goes here. Just hit enter and there you go. You now have your crew logo. Alternatively, if you want to use a logo that someone else made, up here on top go to store, then go right down, there's decals, and then with the same process, let's say we're using this one, and once here you can press the get decal option to keep this image in your inventory. This logo is now available in your studio if you want to make your own experience, for example. But since we're here to use it as a logo for Blox Fruit, in the same way, all we have to do is copy the URL, go back here, paste the link, press enter, and there you go. You can now create your crew logo. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.